Hello, we're back again with the Glock 20 handgun. This time we used a 357 SIG barrel. This is a stainless steel Lone Wolf barrel. It looks like it extends past the end of the slide just slightly, but you can definitely see the stainless. And then also on top, get a good view here. You can see it says 10 and then 357 Lone Wolf. But did the same as before as far as our shooting sequence. We came over here to the original target that we shot our 10 millimeter with the 6-inch barrel. Pretty happy with the performance on that. Shot it a little high. It could be due to the high velocity of that round, but pretty happy with that. And then we just shot 10 rounds, 7 yards with the 357 SIG. And it looks like the 357 SIG was right on. Those are some good shots. Even got some double holes with the SIG barrel. So pretty happy with the accuracy of that 357. Now we move over to our round. We're shooting the Winchester PDX-1 Defender. This was a hollow point round, but it was hard to find ammo in the 357 SIG caliber. You could see or find 357 Magnum, but it was hard to find the 357 SIG. But this is a great round, obviously very accurate. It's a hollow point, so we probably won't get the penetration that we got with the 6-inch 10 millimeter, but great round, 357 SIG. Now here is the penetration. Did the same sequence that we did with the 10 millimeter. The top hole is the shot with the 357 through the deck board. We'll go ahead and pull that one away. Looks like it's got a little larger hole through the 1x pine. We'll pull that away, and it looks like it's got the hole going through the 2x6. Again, we're looking at the top hole for the 357. And then as far as the exit wound out the back, it looks like it really blasted pretty hard. That would be this hole here. The first hole was the 10 millimeter 6-inch round. The second hole was the 357 SIG, but it looks like it splatted part of the pine into the wood itself, into the railroad tie. So that was quite an impact. I also tried the same test going through the railroad tie, and you can see the original hole here was the 10 millimeter hole, 6-inch barrel, and then here is the 357 SIG hole as well. Not sure of the penetration it got, but we'll take a look at the other side. And once again, it did not make it all the way through the railroad tie. So just to show the difference of a 357 SIG and a 10 millimeter round. Pretty interesting.